Welcome to the channel. In this video we will see how we can update the Microsoft Edge browser to its latest version in Windows 10 or in Windows 11 operating system. Now here I'm using the Windows 11 operating system. First we will open up the Edge browser. Now here in the Edge browser, in top right corner we can see three dots. If I take the cursor on that, it says Settings and More. If we click on that, it will open up a menu. If we scroll down, then we can find Help and Feedback. When I take the cursor on this particular option, it opens up another menu. Now here in this menu, we can find About Microsoft Edge. We need to click on this. Now here it will open up the About page. Now when we open up this particular page, the Microsoft Edge will check for latest updates. If any updates are available, then it will display that message. And also it will show the button to download and install the updates. Now we just have to click on this button to download and install the updates. Now it says updating Microsoft Edge. When updating is finished, it will display the restart option to restart Edge browser. If we click on this, then it will restart Edge browser. So now you guys can see Microsoft Edge has been restarted and it says Microsoft Edge is up to date. So this is how we can update the Microsoft Edge browser in Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you want to say something, then write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel.